Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Notion pages as PDFs to attach on LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly. To download Notion pages as PDFs for LinkedIn, start by opening your Notion workspace. Navigate to the page you want to download. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Export. In the export options, choose PDF as your file format. You can choose whether to include subpages if applicable. Adjust the export settings according to your preferences. Once you have made your selections, click on the Export button. Wait for Notion to generate your PDF file. After the file is created, it will be automatically downloaded to your computer. Locate the downloaded PDF in your files. Open the PDF to ensure it has exported correctly. Now, head over to your LinkedIn profile. Click on Start a Post to create new content. In the post editor, look for the attachment icon. Upload the PDF file from your computer. Add any accompanying text to provide context for your post. Once you are satisfied, click on the Post button to share it with your LinkedIn network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.